What's good? And in today's video, we are working on a new sandbox. I know I just built one. I didn't make a video on it though, but I know I just built one, and I feel like having some more pizzazz, if you know what I'm saying. No! So, yeah, let's go. Okay, so we're in it. As you can see, there's nothing anywhere, which is extremely depressing. So let's get to work. A pizza building. Yeah. So I'll be okay guys, I might have did some off-camera
Some cheese.
So another person we're gonna be playing with is Yeet Brother.
You want some cheese?
Yeah, so Yeet Brother's helping me with my new sandbox today.
You want some cheese?
So yeah, this is how it looks so far.
Don't know why I just walked in just having a cheese.
Okay guys, it'll be the end of today's episode because we can do a part 2 on this, right? Right? Okay. So we're gonna do a part 2. I'm gonna do a part 2 on this, and see you guys in the next video. Pow pow pow!